Alright, so we're back in the garage as usual. Always in the garage. Today is probably gonna be a super quick video because I got these JDM door sills and I don't really know what else to do. Maybe I'll swap out the speakers that are in there because I do have a pair of extra speakers, Alpine speakers from the wrecked Celica that I pulled out. So maybe I'll replace those because this one's kind of staticky and stuff, but the main focus is gonna be the door sills. It's a little bit dirty, but I got these from someone on Facebook. He was from England. Came in this really well packaged. Anyways, for those who don't know the differences with the USDM door sills and the Euro/JDM door sills, this is basically what it looks like. The USDM ones are just completely plastic and it has like the Celica letter or whatever, whereas the Euro/JDM ones have this like fake metal looking door sill. It just looks higher quality and it looks pretty cool. It is a little bit scratched up as you can see, but I mean, what can you do? It's a old ass car, it's the door sill. People will get in and out of the car every time, so. But yeah, we're just gonna do that super easy. All you do is just lift this door sill up and then just replace it with this. Plugs right in. Plug and play. Got some extra clips from here. You can reuse the old clips too, it won't matter. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. You're just going to find an area where you can get your fingers under the plastic. And then you just pull up. You just tug on it. Like that, there we go. Here's all the plastic pieces, plastic clips. Sometimes you may have the plastic clip like just get stuck in here, but I guess I got kind of lucky and all of them came off with the door sill. And now all we got to do is just do the same thing and there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some of the clips off of here and put them on the missing ones and then clean this up a little bit because it is kind of dirty, and then I'll show you guys the results. Alright, so there we have it. Easiest install, easiest mod, whatever you want to call it. It's really subtle and like no one really sees it. No one would really notice it unless you're a Celica person and you like kind of go inside and look at the door sill, but something unnecessary, but it's cool. It's cool to have. It's cool to know that it's like a JDM part. Alright, that'll be it. Goodbye. So now that I got the driver's side in, I have the passenger side to do, but so you can see, we don't really have much space. This is as far as it'll open because I'm inside the garage. I'm kind of locked in. I got my dad's work truck. I got that black gay car. And wow! I've seen that. But yeah, your boy's kind of lazy and I don't really feel like moving that truck. So we're just gonna chill for a bit and make this video longer because this video is gonna be too short. I figured out a different way, you know, work smarter, not harder. So I'm still inside the garage, you know, this is as far as the door can open. But hey, I can access the door sills right here instead of standing right there. So now that I'm in here, I can just easily get my fingers somewhere and just pry this door sill up. Sorry,
my boy's blind.
I just saw a clip fall out. There we go.
Good job.
All right. Time for a break.
Time to eat.
All right. Door sill, please. Hold the door, please.
Edgar, I'm hungry.
It's no time to complain, young grasshopper. Only time to work.
Please, I haven't eaten in 3 days.
Dude, look at that. Easy as pie. Can't get any easier than that. And there you go. Got some new door sills. All right, so what's next?
Let's convert it to right-hand drive.
All right, so we just made a little pizza run. As you can see, we got this CC pizza. Don't know what the CC stands for. Oh, it was called the Cheeser. It was called Cheeser. Okay, but so there's this new pizza that came out and we wanted to try it. Put a little picture on top of what it looks like, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks the same as any regular pepperoni pizza.
Show them the other one we got.
Just a little Caesar things. But the other one is even more special.
This is his signature, dude.
Oh shit, it's the same one. Yeah, I don't know. How does it taste? Taste any different?
It's just saltier.
Alright, so since the video was kind of too short, I decided to extend it a little bit and do something else. So in this little box, I have some things from the wrecked Celica that I pulled out. So, you know, got this unused air freshener. And then the main things are going to be these two speakers right here. These were Alpine speakers, and pretty sure they're plug and play. So we're gonna figure that out. Yep, got an OG Lapras Pokemon card that was in there for a long time. And then got these fake TRD seatbelt padding thingamajiggies that Alex got me a while ago. But you know, they're fake, so.
Wow.
I'm gonna throw them on just for shits and giggles. They're gonna be in the back though. Put them in the back. And then I have this shift knob that I'm probably not going to use, but it was a really nice shift knob. It was just kind of missing some of the screws that were supposed to use to tighten onto the shifter itself. But yeah, that's besides the point. We're going to try to get these speakers installed because the speakers on this car, yeah, they're JBL, but the passenger side is kind of staticky and the quality is not all that. So hopefully these would be a little bit better. These are basically free mods anyway, so let's get going.